SmartMAK brings you over 50 years of machinery expertise. Our date paste production line is a testament to our commitment to producing machinery and processes that are energy, labor, and cost efficient. Our date paste production line ensures purity and consistency. We begin with a vibration unit equipped with air blowers, followed by a manual inspection to remove any impurities from the dates. The dates are then dipped in a water plunge to be washed. The clean dates enter a drying process to remove excess water and to fully prepare them for paste production. The dates proceed through a steam tunnel to soften them for easy seed removal. The dates pass through a fine mesh to remove the seeds from one end and get the paste from the other. Then the paste passes through a cooling conveyor to reach an adequate temperature for filling. A homogenizer ensures a smooth texture prior to filling. Our filling machine can form, fill, and seal bags with the precise weight specifications requested by our customers. Throughout our process, steam consumption stays below 250 kilograms per hour. Operated by only 6 people. 3 tons of date paste is produced with only 13% net loss, enabling the production of high-quality date paste ready for use in various recipes and products with minimal waste. Elevate the quality and efficiency of your production line with SmartMAK. Contact us to learn more.